the May tornadoes of this year was one of the worst natural disasters this area has ever seen.
It was May 8, 2024, when an EF3 tornado with 140-mile-per-hour winds touched down in Columbia and Spring Hill. Roughly 100 homes were damaged in the county. It's a natural disaster Columbia Mayor Chas Mulder will never forget.
We had a life that was lost and livelihoods that were lost, and we knew then that it would take weeks and months and perhaps even more to fully recover.
The life loss was Cheryl Lovett.
Knowing now that she's not ever going to walk through that door. We're never going to see her smile come through that door. Cheryl has the biggest, prettiest smile you would ever meet.
A mother, grandmother, and loyal employee of Stan's restaurant. Cheryl retired the same day she was killed in the storm.
There certainly is recovering. There is healing, but perhaps those storms left a wound that will never be fully healed.
Mayor Mulder says the city has technology to alert residents of severe weather, but the city of Columbia does not have tornado sirens.
Well, I can remember the very first tornado or tornadic activity that occurred in my first term in office in 2018, and wondering why we didn't have sirens.
This will soon change thanks to a $420,000 grant. The city will receive 12 tornado sirens.
These are very 21st century-esque sirens. It's not just an old siren that just makes a loud noise during a storm, although it can do that. It'll actually also be able to provide verbal commands or instructions in the aftermath, or heaven forbid, in the event of some other type of tragedy that could occur.
Mulder says this is a resource that will help save lives.
I think there's a sigh of relief that we have learned from a tragic event and have come out of it with better practices going forward. I think that's what our community expects their government to do.
Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.